VINCENZO'S Gold Crypto Investing, where you like, subscribe, and share. We're a one-of-a-kind, company-made, computer software trading probability-based, trading alert, technical analysis, and company philosophy, as I'm your most trusted source for blockchain technology and cryptocurrency breaking news and coin updates here on YouTube and in the cryptocurrency sphere. It's old Vincenzo's brought that roof. And most importantly, integrity on this Independence Day weekend. But as you can see here briefly, well, Vincenzo's at work, cruising around on his Mi-Guy Chinese, yes, a Chinese bike, right? And you can see we're out here on a gorgeous day. See that sunshine? Whoops, you didn't see the sunshine. See that? Look at that sunshine out there, out here with the cars of the future today, right? I'm not really a big electric car fan, so I will not be buying one of these Rivians or Teslas or any of that other crap, right? For my electric vehicle aficionados. I'm sure you'll get angry at me for calling crap, but I call a spade, right? But you can see the Bitcoin price as we cruise around out here, pretending to work. You can see we're still struggling on the top part of this white support zone, right? The volume indicator. And if we zoom in here, it's a little difficult on driving. Hopefully there's no safety out here. Oh, that's right, I'm a safety guy. To tell me I can't talk and be on my bike at the same time, right? But you can see how we peaked our neck up above there earlier, the white support zone. And this is what we were talking about earlier. When you peak your neck up, as we call our drawing tool, industry exclusive drawing tool, YouTube made famous. You peaked your neck up, but then you came right back down. If you're looking to get bullish, it runs up and then it holds it, right? And then it would still be trading up here. And then the longer it traded up there, you could say it's building a base. But it came right back down below this major area with the volume indicator. And to all my Jabroni Killer members, if you want me to cover specific topics, you have the carte blanche to request what you want me to make videos on. And I will make videos and post them into members only and give a sneak peek to non-members to see what members only get, right? So all my members are Jabroni Killers. You comment a lot, but you don't ask me for a lot. You have a carte blanche to request as many things as you want: housing market, stock market, equity markets, fiscal and monetary policy, oil market, gold and silver, bullion, right? EV market, whatever you guys want to talk about, copper, corn, wheat, international foreign affairs, right? Whatever you guys want me to do a topic on, I will make a members only video for you as much as you want, as many times as you want, right? Whether you got the $2.99 a month membership or the $14.99 membership, right? And you guys need to be utilizing that more and take advantage of that. Coin request, whatever you guys want, right? I'm here to work for you. Yes, I'm a man old. Vincenzo's a man of the people, and I'm here to work with you and work for you, right? And anything you guys want. So, and use my links down below. There is a 200 Bitcoin giveaway competition. If you want to use my link down below, it's a partner link. There's up to a $5,000 bonus based on deposit requirements, a $50 bonus. To trade your first couple futures trades, you get a free $50, and there's a $20 bonus, right? There's all kinds of other bonuses, and it all adds up to $5,000 exclusively with Vincenzo's Gold Crypto Investing Partner link. But we're going to continue to watch the price of Bitcoin as it's now sunken a little bit lower than what it was the last time we talked. I believe we were down here earlier this morning, and we pumped up, came down, pumped up, came down. And we're going to pay attention to see if that doesn't try to trade down this weekend. I have a feeling it's going to be a slow moving market as everyone's on the holiday weekend, especially in the United States. They're on their boats up north on a cabin, whatnot, right? So that's what's going on there. If we look at XLM, you can see it's trading within this consolidation range. If we zoom out, you can see we're in this consolidation still. We're going to get rid of these. These are old perching tools, industry exclusive, made YouTube famous. But you can see right here, we had a big spike in sell volume. See that? Big spike in sell volume, but the price didn't move. I don't know if that's just a misprint here or if that actually is legit. That's legit. We have a couple of hours of big volume. And by the price not moving, that meant to me it was close to 50-50 buyers to sellers, or else you would have seen a big jack up or jack down in price. If we get a big pump up in price, you can come up here to this green arrow. See the big green arrow I got pointed on there? I like my big arrows, right? See that big green arrow? That's your major upper resistance at 14.2 cents. And then your lower support is 0.07. As that's where our fib circle is. And you know, we've used these fib circles quite well. And I made a class for free to everybody on a technical trading chart on TradingView for beginners on the kind of basic indicators that old Vincenzo uses to try to figure out where the market's going, if it's a good time to buy, sell, and whatnot, right? So that's what's going on there. There was some other news, crypto news that was going on. Let's see what that was. It's a mistake to stop acquiring Bitcoin, says Michael Saylor. That's Michael Saylor. That's a minor topic. There's one thing you got to know about Michael Saylor. Go look up in 1998, 1999, 2000, right? In the height of the tech bubble where everybody made money, this guy was one of the only guys to lose his ass, billions of dollars, and he lied about it to his shareholders to artificially jack the price up. And then when it came out that he was lying, where he was saying he was making a profit when he was losing billions or hundreds of millions, the stock literally went down 75% in 2 days. Sound familiar? He's the worst trader, and he's a big charlatan where he was lying to his shareholders in the top of a bubble because he wasn't making any money and he was trying to keep his share price up and capitalize on all that nonsense. And he was fined a lot of money, and he lost his shareholders because he fleeced, heisted, and shysted them. But you people still want to listen to that charlatan. He's just moved on 21 years later, hoping everybody back then forgot that he actually did that and moved on to the next charlatan thing that he could spiel with the massive momentum. If he believed that much in Bitcoin, he wouldn't have bought his first Bitcoin purchase, second Bitcoin, and third Bitcoin at 40, 50, $60,000, right? And now he's trying to average down, and he's just going to average himself into bankruptcy, right? Crypto turmoil, 3A files for bankruptcy. There's the breaking news. Bankruptcy, FTX, and BlockFi agrees suspension of Voyager. I've been telling you, these lending platforms are very risky, and they were more than likely, like Celsius, doing fraudulent things to try to get those 6, 10, 15% interest payments they were paying out to people that were lending them money. Multiple important news reads the market as another week of harsh crypto winter neared. First, turmoil crypto hedge fund Three Arrows Capital is now seeking protection from creditors in the U.S. under Chapter 15 of the U.S. bankruptcy code, which means if you got money on there and you lent them out and you've been stuck with your money freezed by this company for more than 3 weeks, it's gone. You're not going to get your money back. You're going to get pennies on the dollar if you get anything at all, which allows foreigner debtors to shed U.S. assets per Reuters. As reported, a British Virgin Island court ordered the liquidation of 3A earlier this week. Meanwhile, troubled crypto lender BlockFi said it signed definite agreement subject to shareholder approval with the FTX U.S. crypto exchange for U.S. $400 million revolving credit facility, which is subordinate to all client funds and options to acquire BlockFi, a variable price of up to $240 million based on performance triggers. We have not drawn on the credit facility to date and have continued to operate our products and services normally, right? They admitted that due to their loan to 3A, this BlockFi is going to be the next barrel to fall, right? The lender experienced US $80 million in losses, and this is only the beginning in this crypto winter, according to Vincenzo, crypto expert, right? Impact BlockFi and 3A. Also, the losses will be part of 3A's ongoing bankruptcy case. Meanwhile, another crypto platform that suffered from 3A's Voyager Digital said it temporarily suspended trading deposits, withdrawals, and loyalty rewards. Voyager is going to be another one along with BlockFi. They're going to go bankrupt if you have your money in there. Well, if you're in Voyager, they're not letting you get your money out. BlockFi is probably doing the same thing. It's going to be a big, big problem. As reported, the company exposure to 3As consists of 15,200 Bitcoin, USD 293, in USDC 350 million. They also earned into multiple million credit lines. See, it's all a scam. It's all coming unglued. And this is why old Vincenzo's been warning you about these lending platforms, where your money's at, who you're lending it to, why you shouldn't lend, and how these astronomical interest rates that they're offering was a fraud, it was deceptive, and it was malice, right? And it's criminal. And you're going to see a lot of these people going to jail, as a lot of people have lost a lot of money. And this is only the beginning. It's going to get worse, and that's coming from me, yes, me, old Vincenzo, a crypto insider that has made the bold calls and nailed lending liquidity crises, named 2022 as the year crypto nearly died of insolvency, right? The crypto expert, old Vincenzo, was far out ahead of the competition and far out ahead of all these crypto experts that they bring on in understanding the market, right? Peace and love, peace and love.